Guys, in this video, I will teach you how you can use one bunch of alligator pepper. I mean, one bunch of alligator pepper to command anything you want, and you will definitely get it. Meanwhile, don't use this for evil. I'm not teaching you this because I want you to use it for evil. I'm teaching you this because I want you to be free from your enemies. I want you to be free from all the form of spiritual attack you are experiencing. That is why I'm teaching you this. So if you use this for evil, let Geneva punish you. Now, you are going to get one bunch of alligator pepper. If you are the kind of person that they have been attacking you, like they have been attacking you boba to boba, they don't want you to rest spiritually. Anything you lay your hands on, before you know, that minute, near success rhythm, everything will just crumble. Are you that kind of person that if money enter your hand, you don't know what to do with that money? Are you that kind of person that anytime good thing is coming for you, before you know, they'll come and give you food to eat in a dream? Or you will see yourself in formal compound, in secondary school, primary school, higher institutions you finish from. Now, this prayer is for you. I'm going to teach you how to what revenge yourself instantly, so that those people that have been pursuing you will feel your wrath. Meanwhile, I make a video on this. I said, if you are the kind of person that you see yourself in primary school, see, your setback depend on this. If you are seeing yourself in the old school, like higher institution you finish from, it's better than somebody who is seeing himself in the secondary school he finished from. And someone that is seeing himself in the secondary school he finished from is far different from someone that is seeing himself in primary nursery. That is even the worst. They have brought you down to the lowest. So depending on the school you see yourself in the dream will determine how they will determine the percent of the setback they have given you. Now I'm going to teach you how you can actually use alligator pepper to revenge yourself. Now this is something that is very simple. Go to the market. From the market, get where they are selling alligator pepper, select one. And when you are selecting, look at the alligator pepper very, very well. Make sure the alligator pepper you selected has not been pitch open, or it does not have any hole on it, or it has been open on any form. Make sure it's still 100% sealed. Ask the price. How much is this? If they said it's $1, pay $1 dot price. Any amount you are told, dot price, pay. After you have gotten that alligator pepper, I made a video on my channel here. I said different days have different energy. Monday energy is different from Tuesday energy. So each and every day has prayers that are better those days. Like as I've said, the best prayer, the best day you can do this particular prayer is either Tuesday or Saturday. Water spirit is Tuesday. Tuesday or Saturday. These are the best 2 days you can do this particular prayer. That one bunch of alligator pepper you have gotten, strip naked, early in the morning, around that kind 5 a.m. your time, 5 a.m. in the morning. Remove your ring, your shoes. You will just be 100% the way you came to this earth. Then you hold that alligator pepper. You hold the alligator pepper with your left hand. Spiritually, things we don't want, we'll do them with our left hand. And things we want, we'll do them with our right hand. Things I don't want, I pick it with my left hand. Things I want. So you use your left hand to hold the alligator pepper. You will say these words. I have not offended anybody. I don't know if I've offended anybody. I don't know who is after my life. I don't know who is after my progress. But whoever he is or she is, from my father's side, from my mother's side, your spoken words matter. Learn this. From my father's side, from my mother's side, being a man or a woman, a boy or a girl, whoever that person is that has been tormenting me, both in my dream or in real life, depending on what you are praying for. If it is a dream, in my dream. If it's in real life, in your real life. If that person walk on this earth, if that person is alive, Whatever that person have done to me, I want that person to receive multiple of it. That person will have no peace until that person choose to leave me alone. It will be a problem upon problem. That person will be just like the way that person have planned that they should be hating me, money should not be coming to me. It will be difficult for that person to see food to eat. You lay the cause, all the cause, and how you want everything to be. The way I don't lay those cause, making those prayers. That one bunch of alligator pepper that you have prayed on, remember you are not opening it, you are holding it with your left hand. You carry down a bunch of alligator pepper. One, you go and drop it on a junction. Two, if you have access to the cemetery side, you go and bury it there. Those are this is the two powerful places you can actually keep it, or you just go and throw it. Once you do this, the alligator pepper will evoke those spirits in those junctions to fight for you as long as your hands are clean. Even if you offend that person and that person did not come and tell you that you offend me, that means you don't know. Then you not offend that person. Except if the person tell you that you did not apologize, you prove stubbornness, it will backfire. But as long as maybe you don't know you offend anybody, just like that, they have planned to make your life miserable. Let those calls and go and drop it. Let them hear from you as well. You should not be the only person that will be running around so that you'll be free from what they are doing. Let them run around for so that them will be free from what they should be trying to free themselves as well. This is a powerful way. You can use one bunch of alligator pepper, one pod of alligator pepper to go for that part without any other thing. Remember, you must not be naked. Evil shoes you are not going to wear. Remember, you are not to do this when you have talked to somebody already. You must do it before you speak with anyone that morning. 5 a.m. to 5:13 a.m. is the best time for you to do this. Anything more than 5:30, don't do it. Target between 5 a.m. to 5:30. Do this, come back in the comment section and give me your testimony. I want you to comment that this will definitely work for me. I also want you to comment, my enemies will hear from me now. See you guys in the next video. You see, I always care. Your happiness is actually my concern. Bye for now. You see, I cares.